Saki, say hi. Say hi. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go. What's going on, my friends? We're dog sitting this week. So, thought we would go for a walk all together. Just me and the beautiful dog here. And gorgeous day. And I thought we would talk about haters and non-supporters on your journey on this life. So, haters. You know what? I don't actually focus on the haters, and I find that's the best approach, because the haters, they actually want your attention. And what I have found that helps me on my journey, let's go this way, Saki, is to really pay attention to your focus. And as we know, us bees, we stick to the flowers. We stick to the sweet things, the sweet people, the sweet fruit, the sweet food. And if you change your focus and focus on something else, a lower vibration, that is going to take your energy. So if you change your focus to the weeds, that's going to continue to grow. Or, you know, a lot of us have had parasites in us. And those parasites, what do they like? They like to feed on nasty garbage food. And so it's really just about not feeding the parasites, and then you'll eliminate them. And I found just that simple analogy has helped me so much in life, you guys. And really just where you put your attention, where you put your focus and your energy, because that is wherever you put your focus, that's where your energy is going to go. So it's always best to focus on what is working, the people that are supporting you on this journey. You know, you may have people that don't support you, that may not understand, that are doubting what you're doing, whether that is in your job, you're changing jobs, you're changing your diet, a relationship. At the end of the day, this is about your journey, not anyone else's. And I know a lot of us are people pleasers. You know, we like to please everyone. And want to go this way, Saki? Come on, let's go this way. We like to please everyone. And you know what? It's great to make people happy, but when that is your only focus, you're the one losing. And you got to do what makes you happy. And this is one life that we have, you guys. It's important to keep focusing on yourself. And I find that haters, they're actually your biggest fans, because they're focusing on you. And like I read, haters, it's having anger towards everyone rising to success. And haters, they can learn something. They could actually focus more on themselves, spend more time on themselves, trying to improve their well-being and their life, and less time focusing on others. So haters don't get me down. It's all about just changing the focus and keeping the focus on yourself, on the flowers, on positive people, and surrounding yourself with those that are like-minded, that are wanting to be healthy, wanting to, you know, have fun. And this is what this life should be about. It should be about having fun and not stressing out. And so if you find yourself hanging around those negative downers, Debbie Downers, or then it's time to limit your time with those people and find people that are going to help you rise. Because this is what this channel is all about. It's that we be rising together. It's not just me rising. I'm trying to get you guys, we're all trying to help one another up. And this is my channel. And This isn't about, you know, this channel for me, it's not about you know, bashing people. And, you know, I don't do videos like that. It's not gonna be back and forth videos. I want to spend my time helping you guys, and when we do that, this planet will be in much better shape. We'll be all rising together. So remember, wherever you put your attention, wherever you put your focus, that's going to grow. If you have those thoughts about someone or someone's getting you down, limit your time with them and change your focus. And it looks like she wants to go this way. All right, we can go this way. Hey, Saki. Yeah. Hey, you like the flowers. Hey, Saki. You like the flowers. Okay, you lead the way. You lead the way. So yeah, what it's about for me is this is all about your thoughts, you guys, and being neutral as well, because a lot of problems may arise with, you know, family members or friends, even in the workplace, and it's always good to just kind of take a step back and not give in to people that may be in their own negative mindset and they want to bring you in and down into their world. So it's good to take a step back, get into nature, find your ground, find your love, find what's going to balance you out, find people that are going to balance you out and make you happy. If people are bringing your energy down, they are energy vampires. So you want to limit time with those people and spend time with people that are going to help you rise. So you guys, we are going to enjoy the trails. Remember, whatever you focus on will grow. Keep focusing on the sweet stuff, the sweet things in life, and you'll be doing just fine. More than fine, you'll be doing great. And if you find yourself caught in someone else's negative energy, don't change your focus, because that is what they thrive on. And change who you're surrounding yourself with. Come on, Saki! Look how happy this dog is just to be out. Hey, Saki! Just the simple things. We'll see you guys in the next one. As always, be your beautiful selves, be alkaline, and be getting in some nature today. Love you guys.